Welcome to the 30-Day Money Saving Challenge, a practical and powerful journey to help you take control of your finances. Whether you're saving for a trip, emergency fund, or just trying to be more responsible with your money, this challenge is for you. Day 1. Set a clear goal. Start by defining why you're saving. Having a clear purpose gives your savings a direction and keeps you motivated. Day 2. Create a budget. Write down your income and all your monthly expenses. Highlight unnecessary or excessive spending areas. Your budget is your roadmap for the next 30 days. Day 3. No spend day. Challenge yourself not to spend a single rupee or dollar today. Prepare meals at home, use what you already have, and avoid temptations. Day 4. Track every expense. Keep a notebook or app to record everything you spend today. This habit will help you identify wasteful spending patterns. Day 5. Cook at home. Skip the takeout and prepare a meal from scratch. Home cooking is significantly cheaper and often healthier too. Day 6. Cancel unused subscriptions. Review your digital subscriptions, streaming, apps, or fitness memberships. Cancel anything you're not actively using. Day 7. Review your progress. Take a look at what you've done so far. Are you on track? Make adjustments if needed. Day 8. Sell something you don't need. We all have items lying around we no longer use. Sell old clothes, gadgets, or furniture online. Convert clutter into cash. Day 9. Use cashback or discount apps. Use money-saving apps to get discounts, promo codes, or cashback on purchases. Day 10. Avoid temptation zones. Stay away from malls or online shops unless necessary. This helps reduce impulse buying significantly. Day 11. Pack your lunch. Instead of buying lunch, prepare and pack one for work or school. This simple habit can save thousands over the course of a year. Day 12. Set a daily spending limit. Give yourself a strict spending limit for non-essential items today. This trains your brain to prioritize needs over wants. Day 13. Make coffee at home. Skip your favorite coffee shop and brew your own at home. It tastes just as good and saves money too. Day 14. DIY something. Whether it's cleaning products, decorations, or a gift, try doing it yourself. It's often cheaper and can be a fun activity. Day 15. Halfway check in. Reflect on what's worked and what hasn't. Celebrate your small wins and reset your goals if needed. Day 16. Use public transport or carpool. Avoid using your own vehicle for a day. Carpool or use public transit to save on fuel and parking costs. Day 17. Plan meals for the week. Meal planning reduces waste and prevents last-minute takeout. It also helps you stick to your grocery list. Day 18. Use a cash-only day. Leave your credit, debit cards at home. Use only cash today to make your spending more tangible. Day 19. Declutter and organize. Organizing your space can stop you from buying things you already own. Day 20. Write down wants versus needs. Every time you think of buying something, ask yourself, is this a want or a need? Write it down and revisit after a day. Day 21. Revisit your financial goals. Remind yourself of why you started. Update your progress and note how much you've saved. Day 22. Use the 24-hour rule. Wait 24 hours before making any non-essential purchase. This cooling off period helps avoid regret buys. Day 23. Learn a free skill online. Instead of paying for a course or hobby, find a free tutorial or YouTube lesson. It's a cost-effective way to grow. Day 24. Use loyalty points. Check your loyalty programs for available points, rewards, or discounts. Use them before they expire. Day 25. Try a free entertainment option. Instead of going to the movies or mall, visit a park, museum, on free entry days, or have a game night at home. Day 26. Reuse and repurpose. Before buying something new, see if you can reuse what you already have. It's better for your wallet and the planet. Day 27. Negotiate a bill. Call your internet, mobile, or cable provider. Ask for promotions, discounts, or downgrade if possible. It never hurts to ask. Day 28. Create an emergency fund jar. Physically or digitally start an emergency fund. Even a small daily contribution makes a big difference long term. Day 29. Challenge a friend, invite someone to join your challenge. Accountability increases success rates. Plus, it makes saving more fun. Day 30. Total your savings, add up everything you've saved over the last 30 days. Celebrate your success, no matter the amount. You've developed habits that can serve you for a lifetime. If you found this challenge helpful and inspiring, don't forget to like this video. And for more content on smart living, personal finance, and life-changing tips, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Let's grow together, one smart choice at a time.